Welcome back. So remember the hair that I bleached twice and I did dye it with this dye. I'm going to be correcting it today with one simple step. So don't go anywhere and stay tuned. Hi, I am using a semi-permanent hair dye, a plastic bowl, and of course the hair. So from where the rubber band is, that is where I will be walking downwards. I don't know if you can see the two shades of color the hair has right now, so let's jump right in. I have poured some not so hot water into the plastic bowl, and I am using a Dove 48 honey brown semi-permanent dye. Here I am pouring the dye into the water. You can see me pressing hard for the dye to come out, so I gave up and mixed it, but the color was not intense enough for me as much as I wanted it, so I added some and continued to mix because it had particles underneath. You can do this with a blonde or platinum hair and you get amazing results. I think this is called the watercolor method. I saw some girl do it on YouTube. I can't remember her name right now, but I will leave a link at the end of this video for you to check her out. This is how intense the color is looking right now, mixing it with the water. I didn't do any measurement since it was just a small portion of hair I will be working with. I'm submerging the hair into the water, using the spoon to dip the hair in to be sure it's completely in the water, no strands is flying off or... I'm going to be leaving the hair in water for 10 minutes, so I set my timer and I will be back. Tick tock, time's up. Yeah, so I took the hair out of the water when my timer went off. I didn't shampoo the hair, I went straight to conditioning the hair and then let it dry. So the hair has soaked up, you can see the hair has soaked up all the color, leaving the water looking this clear. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.